In this video, legendary house music producer Junior Jack gives me his 5 things producers need to know. Let's dive in. Hey, it's Grahame Farmer from Data Transmission, and today on YouTube, Junior Jack gives me his 5 things producers need to know. He joined me recently for an in-depth conversation. You can watch that full video here on my Twitch channel, and I'm a Twitch partner now. Did you hear? Check out the video here in the card. It explains it all. So I stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays on Twitch. The link's below in the comments. Come and join me on Twitch. We have live interviews, live A&R sessions. You can submit your tracks for feedback. We do social media masterclasses. We help people with their content, all live on Twitch on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Junior Jack joined me recently, as I said, and he gives me his 5 things producers need to know. Let's jump into that video. I have a series on my YouTube channel. It's called 5 Things Producers Need to Know. So let's ask you your 5 things producers need to know.
First thing you need to know is to learn a minimum basic of the musical theory, because without that, it's very complicated to understand what you're doing with the note and stuff. You don't need to be a Mozart to make house music, of course, but at least a minimum. I will advise to people to start learning one scale. So you learn one scale, so you know all the chords and the note of that scale, and you can do all your track to start in one scale, and then you can progress. So that's the first thing for me. The second thing is to make sure to have a soundproof room. All the equipment of this world, if your room it's bullshit, everything you do will sound bullshit. So the most important thing to start with when you make your home studio or place where you're working, where you do stuff, it's to make sure that you have a correct sound.
That's 2 down. Are you enjoying these? Have you got some value out of them? Did you agree with them? Let me know in the comments. Let's carry on with the next 3.
Third thing will be the monitors. Yeah, choosing your monitors, because again, doesn't matter how much equipment you have. At the end of the day, it's what you hear that your choices. And so the monitors are very important, but going together with the room, because if your room it's not okay, you can put all the monitors of the world, the sound will not be okay.
Which monitors do you use, by the way?
I use barefoot monitors, and since I had Adam monitors before, but since I have those barefoot, man, my life became so brighter. Everything is much easier. I love those monitors. They are quite expensive, but they are worth it, really. It's the best piece of my equipment that I have, I think.
That's cool. I guess you said you're an Adam before. That's cool. I guess they're better for the newer producer that doesn't have as much money.
Yes, I had Adam before. Yeah, they're okay, but they are not very loud on sub frequencies, so they crash very fast. So to do dance music, sometimes you want to pump the volume, and the Adam are not following you really. 4th tip will be to listen a lot of music, not only what you do yourself, but listen what other people do. And the 5th tip will be to understand how things are made, to try to reproduce one track that you like, not specially to release, not specially to send on the record company, just picking a track that you like, the way it sounds, the way it's pumping, and try to do the same thing to understand how is it done, to understand working out with the compressor, to understand how to match the kick with your bass. If you have a low bass, so you have to have a kick with the less low frequency. If you have a medium bass sound, then you need a kick with much more low end. And all those things you understand by reproducing something that you like, because then you do A, B, what you do, what you like, and you will hear directly the difference that, and you work and work until you get closer to what you like. And this process will make you understand a lot in the production work.
That's really cool. Thank you for your 5 things. That was wicked.
You're welcome.
So they're his 5 things producers know. Did you agree with them? Which one was your favourite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if you're enjoying this series or you want to see other artists in this series, let me know in the comments below as well. I'll try and get them on. Thanks again for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a little thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.